10 items Fema says to add to your emergency kit. Think you've seen it all when it comes to survival gear? Think again. These 10 insane survival tools will blow your mind. First on our list is the Adventure Essentials Survival Kit. Imagine having all your must-haves in one compact kit: fire starter, compass, mini saw, and more. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just exploring, this kit ensures you're ready for the unexpected. It's not just gear, it's peace of mind in a box. Next, we have the Titanium Survival Credit Card Axe Multi-Tool. It's hard to believe this sleek tool can fit in your wallet, but it does. From an axe to a knife, and even a bottle opener, this multi-tool combines utility and portability like never before. A perfect blend of convenience and survival power. Speaking of essentials, starting a fire has never been easier than with the Survival Fire Starter. Handmade with a wood tinder blend, it lights up quickly and works in all weather conditions. Whether you're out in the wilderness or facing a storm, this fire starter is your go-to for warmth and safety. Trust me, the 10th product is the best and 100% needed during time of survival. And for those who love innovation, the Jackfish Survival Credit Card Holder is a masterpiece. Don't let its sleek design fool you. This compact tool comes packed with surprises like a compass, water purification tablets, and even a fire starter. It's proof that big things do come in small packages. But if you're looking for something purely reliable, the Emergency Survival Fire Starter is a classic you can count on. Waterproof, durable, and easy to use, it ensures you'll never struggle to build a fire, even in the rain or snow. This is a must-have for anyone who loves the outdoors. Now let's talk cooking. The VIRE Folding Rocket Stove is a lightweight, foldable solution for preparing meals on the go. Whether you're boiling water or cooking a full meal, this stove delivers reliable performance without taking up too much space in your pack. Staying prepared also means protecting your essentials. And the Survival Kit in Fire-Resistant Bag does just that. From tools to emergency supplies, this fire-resistant bag keeps everything safe no matter the conditions. It's an absolute lifesaver in extreme situations. For a more comprehensive solution, the Emergency Survival Backpack has got you covered. Designed for 72 hours of survival, it comes loaded with tools, food, and water. Whether it's an outdoor adventure or an emergency, this backpack is built to help you endure. And then there's the Kodiak Survival Bracelet. Don't let its size fool you. This bracelet is packed with features like a fire starter, rope, and whistle. Stylish, compact, and practical, it's a simple addition that can make a big difference in survival situations. Finally, we have the Stormproof Match Kit. When the weather is against you, these matches deliver. They're windproof, waterproof, and built to light up in the toughest conditions. If you're ever caught in the elements, you'll be glad to have these in your kit. Survival isn't just about gear, it's about being prepared. These 10 products are designed to keep you safe, comfortable, and ready for anything. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tips on gearing up for adventure.